Well, greetings all. Thanks so much for joining me. My name's Chris. 2,000 subscribers. That's all on you. Without your subscription, there's no channel. So I thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. In this video, I'm going to be cooking bacon and eggs. I'll explain why in a minute. But this is a Twig stove, and I've come up here without any fuel. And if you take a look around, it might look like there's none, but there is. This is a moorland, and there's heather here, and sometimes it dies off, and you get these twigs. There's plenty of fuel about. This will burn fast. I've got a cast iron pan today I've not used for a while. It needs seasoning, so I thought I'd bring that out. My firebox skillet pan is in use somewhere else at the moment, and so I thought we'd bring this. Bacon is always good to season cast iron, trust me on that. Oh. It's quite breezy up here, this being pretty dry as well. I knew I'd be going right through it, but it's a frantic cooking away. I've got to keep fueling up here, trying to get the camera angles. Right, we have some pre-buttered bread here. Get a piece of bacon on each one. Very easy, simple outdoor cooking. That's why I've done the bacon and eggs today. It's representative of what I like to do in the channel. And what I like to do, I hope you can do too. Nothing too expensive or extreme. One egg up there. Oh, just get that on there. Bit of runny yolk. Very good, look at that. Bit of tomato sauce. This is a Polish one, it's really nice. Bread on there. Whoop. So nice. Very, very nice. So one day I was heading on out. My wife says to me, "Where you off to?" I said, "I'm going out to do a video, you know, for Northern Emmers." "Oh, what have you got in your bag?" "Bacon and eggs." And I did. Literally, I was standing there with my bag on with bacon and eggs in there. It's just one of those lovely go-to, easy, quick, tasty meals that you can do. Bring out the buttered bread, cook a bit of bacon and eggs, not hard, and not too expensive, and doing it out here in a beautiful location as well is what I love anyway. So again, big thanks for the subscriptions and thumbs up and everything. I really appreciate the support. See you again.